Hi class, we are continuing our dividing fractions today with lesson number 8 on page 85. This is going to be a little bit of a quick lesson today, just because this is review. So today we are going to practice making our mixed numbers. So here's our mixed number, 3 4/7, into an improper fraction. Okay, and then we can divide. Once we do that improper fraction, we can move forward. Okay, so Carl has 4.5 walls left to paint for all of the bedrooms in her house. Oh, sorry, Carly. I'm so sorry. Carly has 4.5 walls left to paint, but she only has 5/6 of a gallon. So how much paint can she use? Okay. So she wants to make sure she has enough. So she has 5/6 and she's dividing it into 4.5 walls, right? So this is how much paint she has. This is how many walls she has. So she needs to know how many gallons of paint she can use on each wall, right? Awesome. Okay, so first of all, we have our fraction here. Perfect, awesome, ready to go. This one here, we have a whole number here. This is a mixed number. So we have a whole number and a fraction. You're mixing them together, okay? This needs to be an improper fraction, okay? So we need to be bigger on the top than we are on the bottom. You ready? We've been talking about this. 4.5 is equal to, remember, 4 times 2 plus 1, okay? So 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So we have 2 times 4, 2 times 4, and then a plus 1, okay? So we have 2 times 4 first, that's 8, plus 1 is 9. So 9/2, okay? So now we can divide. So 5/6 divided by 9/2. We are going to practice the invert and multiply today. So we have 5/6. We keep, we change, we flip. 5 times 2 is 10. 6 times 9, guys. I believe 54. Yeah, right? 54. Today you will probably need a calculator. No shame in that. None at all. These numbers get kind of big, okay? I will probably have a calculator out myself. Guys, these are both even numbers, right? Can we reduce them? Can we reduce them, divide them by 2, right? Divide by 2. Let's divide by 2. So 10 divided by 2, we know 5 times 2 is 10, right? 54. Oof. Okay. So if I know 50, half of 50 is 25, right? So I was in the 4 left, and 2, that goes in 2 times. So I have a 25 and 2, that equals 27. Seriously, guys, use a calculator. I'm totally okay with that. This cannot reduce anymore. So Carly can use 5/27 of a gallon of paint on each wall. Okay, so if she takes that 5/6 and pours it into, divides it up into 27, guys, she will make it, right? She needs 5/27 of a gallon for each wall. Okay, go ahead and pause and copy. I'm going to move on to number 2, or B, sorry. Okay, so 2/5 divided by 3 4/7. Okay, so let's take our 3 4/7 here. Okay, so we have 7 times 3 is our first part, right? 7 and 3, right? So that equals, I'm hoping you're all saying 21. And then we add what's on top, right? So that is 25. So we have 2/5 divided by 25/7. Okay, 7 times 3 plus 4. Okay, everyone with me? I hope so. So you can also think of it another way. Okay, so you have 3 4/7. So if you have 7/7 plus 7/7 plus 7/7, right? Plus 4/7. Here's my 1, 1, 1. Okay. So 7, 7, 7, that's 21. Plus 5 is 25. Okay. If you need to break it down that way, I have no problem with that. Just show me your work, whether you do it this way or this way. Okay. So we have, you will need your calculator on this one, guys. Whew, I guarantee it. So we have 2 over 5 divided by 25 over 7, which we keep our first, change our sign, flip our second. Oh, I actually can do this one. 7 times 2. 25. Let's count by 25s. We have 25, then 50, 75, 100, 125. Ooh, I wonder if I can reduce that. I've got an odd and an even. Ooh. Okay, so I can't do that. So it doesn't go into 2s. 14, 3, no, doesn't go into 3s. 4s would be even, so it can't do 4s. 5s, I have a 5 here, but I don't have a 5 here. That's pretty much, oh, I might be able to do 7s. Let's see, 7 goes there, so 125. I'm using my calculator, guys. Seriously, calculator. 125 divided by 7 is, nope, 17.8571429. So, nope, that's it, guys. This is my answer. I don't go further than that. I go 1, 3, 5, 7. So, check for 2, 3, 5, and 7. Okay? If it's not even, it's automatically crosses 2 out. Okay? 3s, you may have to do a little work on that one. Remember your 5s, if it ends in a 5 or a 0, it can go in. So you can automatically, if it's even, both even, you can do 2s. If it has a 5 and a 0, you can do 5s. The other 2, you're going to have to do some calculator work on. But 2s and 5s, you can automatically eliminate real quick. Okay? So you're going to check divide by 2, top but not the bottom. 3, neither one. 5, the bottom but not the top. 7, the top but not the bottom. Okay? Those are the 3 that I check. If those, or the 4 that I check. If it doesn't go into those, it can't reduce. Okay? We're going to do 2 more. And then because this is all review, you guys are going to take a quiz. And I'm going to give you lots of time for it. And I will be available. But this is for you to use your notes. So you will use your notes from lesson 7 on how to do our invert and multiply here. You need to show all your work. And then you will use your notes from here to convert our mixed numbers, okay? So normally, guys, I apologize. This is an activity lesson. This is a classroom activity lesson. So it stinks. I know. I'm sorry. So what we're going to do, the questions are coming from page 87. They're right next to you. So we're going to do A, B, and C, or I'm going to do A, B, and C for you. And then if you need more practice, please do these. Obviously, you see the answer next to you, so you can check yourself. But these are here for you for practice, guys. Totally here for practice. Great practice, okay? So we know the first one is 3/4 divided by 6 2/3, okay? So first, that's my problem. So now I need to, we'll cross this out and just put practice. Okay, 6 2/3. So I have 3/4, right? And I'm going to do this, just going to do this in my head. So 3 times 6 is 18, plus 2 is 20. Feel free to work this out on a separate sheet of paper. I have no problem with that. So then my next step is 3/4. I'm changing my sign. I'm flipping my fraction. Okay, I change my flip. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, 4 times 20. Holy cow. Now we could just count 20, 40, 60, 80. Awesome, right? We can also do 4 times 2 and add a 0. That's the other thing. That's your multiply by 10. So 4 times 2 is 8, and you add that 0 to make it 80. Okay. Ooh, I think these both go into 3, right? Ooh, let me double check. Let's see, 80 divided by 3. 80 divided by, I think it might be 81 actually. Nope, we're good. That's it. As far as we can go, it's actually 81. So it will be 1/9 if it was 81. But that's it, 9/80ths. That's our answer. And if you look, guys, check this out. This is how you can check your work to make sure you're right. Look, there's my answer right there, 9/80ths. Okay. It's not considered cheating. Just, you know, because you have to do the work. You have to show me the work. So let's go to B. We have 1/3, and I'm getting all of these from page 87. 1/3 divided by 4 3/4. Okay, so normally you guys wander around the classroom and find your pair, but I'm sorry. Okay, so 1/3 divided by, what's 4 times 4? 16. Plus 3, 19. So 4 times 4 plus 3, 19. So then it becomes keep, change, flip. Oh, I can't do that one in my head. 19. Actually, I might be able to. So 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, so guys, look at this. So you're only off by 1, right? For 20. You guys notice that? So 3 times 20 is 60, right? So if I do 3 times 19, wouldn't that just take 3 off? Totally. 60 minus 3, 57. And I think that's my answer. Yep. I double checked. And if we look, I got it right. 4/57. Okay. Guys, seriously, calculators are not a problem when we get with these big numbers. I have no problem at all. I'm just trying to teach you the mental math tricks that I know. Okay. Okay, let's do one more. And I'm going to let you do your quiz. I'm going to give you lots of time. You're going to have like an hour to do your quiz, and it's only 4 problems. Okay. Okay, so here we go. 2/5, 2/5 divided by 1 7/8. Ooh, okay. So I have 2/5, and it's divided by 8 times 1 is 8, plus 7 is 15. Okay. So I keep, I change, I flip. Okay. That's a 7. I'm sorry, guys. 2 times 7 is 14. There's my equal sign. 15 times 5. Okay, so I'm going to count this off. So I know that 15 and 15 is 30, right? So I have 2 30s because I have 4. So 30 and 30 is 60. And then if I add just 15 to 60, that gives me my 5, right? I believe that's 75. Okay, what did I do wrong? Ooh, guys, do you guys notice what I did? Because I checked my answer and I got 14/75. And if you look, it's 16/75. So then I'm going back and I know that 8 times 2 is 16. Look, I put the wrong denominator. This needs to be an 8. That's why we check that's a great way to check our answers, okay? There you go. 16/75. Okay. Okay, let's do one more because I'm not comfortable leaving on that one. Okay. So we have 7.5 divided by 5/6, right? 5/6. Okay, this one's a little bit different. Do you notice all of our mixed numbers are the second number, and now it's the first number? Okay, so 7 times 2, 14, plus 1, 15, right? 7 times 2 is 14, plus 1 is 15. Now I'm second guessing myself. Okay, and then it's divided by 5, 6, right? Keep, change, flip. Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at this, guys. This was 75, and that was 5. Can we add 15 to that? 5 to make 80, right? And 10 to make 90. Just a little bit of math for you. Okay, let's reduce it. Okay, I don't mind the multiple steps. I am okay with that. Okay, I don't mind. And that becomes 9 over 1. Okay, 90 over 10, you can cross out your zeros. And then it becomes 9 over 1, which becomes 9. Okay, so there's some practice for you guys. I'll write the rest of these in here for you for your notes, okay? So I'll write the problems in here so you can see them. And like I said before, guys, all your answers are right here. And no, it's not cheating to double check your answer, because did we see what happened on C? We saw exactly what happened on C, and we were able to identify, I was able to identify my mistake real quick, okay? So that's literally today's lesson. No joke. Like, it's just 85 and 86 because it's a classroom activity. So you are responsible for exit ticket. This is a quiz, okay? So it's going to be worth some decent amount of points. So this is going to be worth 20 points. Each one is going to be worth 5 points, okay? So this is a quiz for today. Today is 9/3/20, and this is going to be 20 points, okay? Please use your notes, okay? You need to use your notes. You need to use your notes from lesson 7 for your invert and multiply, and you also need to use your notes to transfer that mixed number, okay? You're going to show your work, okay? All of it. I need to see all the steps. How many steps did we have here? Here's our original problem. So we have 1 step here, we have 1 step here, and we have our answer, okay? This is a step right here, converting our mixed number, our mixed number to an improper fraction. That's a step, okay? All of this are steps, okay? We have our original problem right here. Then we do our mixed number. Then we have our problem again with our improper fraction. Then we invert and multiply, and then we have our answer, okay? Okay. If you don't reduce, that's going to be a point, okay? Okay, awesome. I want your answers. Show your work, and I'm going to write here also simplest form. Okay, reduce your fractions. They need to be in the simplest form. Okay. Questions, come back to me. But this is on your own. This is you using your notes. Okay. Okay. Good luck, and if you need me, come back. Bye.